Good day everyone, I am Cherry Jones and today I will discuss three important topics in application development and emerging technologies. I will be discussing the workflow, the structure, and the style. These topics are essential because they help developers create websites and web applications in an organized, efficient, and visually appealing manner. In this presentation, you will learn what workflow means in web development, how HTML structures a web page, how CSS improves the appearance and style of websites, and practical examples of its topic. By the end of this discussion, you will understand how developers build modern websites from planning up to designing the final output. Let us begin with the workflow. What is workflow? Workflow refers to the step-by-step process developers follow when creating web applications. Workflow involves the tools and procedures used to make web development easier, more organized, and more efficient. There are three major tools used in workflow. These are text editors, version control system, and web browsers. A text editor is one of the most important tools for developers. It is used to write and edit source code such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Examples of text editors include Sublime Text, Visual Studio Code, Vim, and Emacs. Text editors help developers write code faster, organize files, highlight syntax errors, and improve productivity. We will be focusing on Sublime Text because it is simple, lightweight, and beginner-friendly. For example, when creating a web page, a developer may type a simple HTML code inside Sublime Text. So in this example, doc type HTML, opening tag HTML, opening tag head, opening title tag my website, closing title tag, closing head tag, opening body tag, opening h1 tag hello world exclamation, closing head tag, closing body tag, and closing HTML tag. This code creates a simple web page displaying the text hello world exclamation. Another important part of workflow is version control system. Version control helps developers save changes in their projects and return to previous versions if errors occur. The most popular version control system is Git. Git allows developers to track changes, collaborate with teams, restore previous versions, and organize development history. Here are some basic Git commands. Git init creates a Git repository. Git status checks project status. Git add index HTML prepares the file to save. Git commit -m initial commit saves the project version. These commands initialize a repository, check file status, add files, and save project changes. The third tool in workflow is the web browser. Browsers like Google Chrome, Firefox, and Safari are not only used for browsing websites but also for testing and debugging web applications. Developers use browser developer tools to inspect web page elements, detect errors, test responsiveness, and analyze website performance. To summarize workflow, Developers write code using a text editor, receive and manage version using Git, and then they test the web page using a browser. This process helps developers create, organize, and efficient web applications. Now, let us proceed to the structure. What is structure? Structure refers to how the contents of a web page are organized using HTML or Hypertext Markup Language. HTML acts as the skeleton of a website. It organizes headings, paragraphs, images, links, and sections. HTML uses tags to structure content. So, H1 tag for headers, P tag for paragraphs, A tag for links, UL and LI tags for lists. For example, opening H1 tag, welcome to my website, closing H1 tag. That is for the headings. Opening P tag, this is a paragraph period. Closing P tag, this is for paragraphs. And opening anchor tag, href equals https://google.com, visit Google, closing anchor tag. This is for the links. Headings organize web page content by importance. For example, H1 tag is the most important heading, while H6 tag is the least important. Paragraph tags are used for regular text content. HTML also supports ordered and unordered lists. For example, opening unordered list tag, opening list item tag, HTML, closing list item tag, opening list item tag, CSS, closing list item tag, opening list item tag, JavaScript, closing list item tag, and closing unordered list tag. This creates a bullet list of web technologies. Document Object Model, or DOM, is another important concept. The DOM represents web elements in a tree-like structure. For example, the HTML tag is the root. Inside it are head tag and body tag. Inside the body are headings, paragraphs, and images. This structure helps browsers understand and display web pages correctly. So here is a simple visualization of the DOM tree. This shows the parent-child relationship of web page elements. Now, let's proceed to HTML validation. Validation checks if HTML code contains errors such as missing closing tags, incorrect nesting, and invalid syntax. Developers use the W3C validator to identify and fix issues. Now, let us move on to the style. After creating the structure using HTML, developers improve appearance using CSS or cascading style sheets. CSS controls colors, fonts, layout, spacing, animations, and responsive design. If HTML is the skeleton, CSS is the clothing and design of the web page. Here is a simple CSS example. For the body selector, set background color to light blue. This makes the entire page background light blue. For the H1 selector, set color to dark blue and text alignment to center. It changes the heading text color to dark blue and centers the heading horizontally on the page. So, in other words, this changes the web page background color and styles the heading. Without CSS, web pages look plain and simple. With CSS, web pages become attractive, professional, user-friendly, and responsive. This is a split screen showing web page before CSS and after CSS. Now let us proceed to the importance of CSS. CSS is important because it improves user experience, enhances readability, makes websites visually appealing, and supports responsive design for mobile devices. To conclude with our discussion, the workflow teaches us the proper development process using text editors, Git, and browsers. The structure focuses on organizing web page content using HTML and understanding the document object model, while the style improves web page appearance using CSS. Together, these three components work hand in hand to create modern, functional, and attractive web applications. Thank you for listening, and I hope you learned the importance of workflow structure and style in web development.